Welcome to 222 Mill Springs at Heritage Lake in Coatesville, Indiana. Discover the perfect lakeside retreat in this charming one-level brick home, designed for comfort and ease, ideal for empty nesters seeking a peaceful, low-maintenance lifestyle. Nestled on the serene shores of Heritage Lake, this lovely 3-bedroom, 2-bath home offers a peaceful retreat in a quiet, tranquil cove. With easy-to-maintain vinyl plank floors throughout, the home exudes comfort and style. The spacious living room features decorative tray ceilings and a cozy brick gas fireplace, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. The thoughtfully designed split-bedroom floor plan ensures privacy for both family and guests. The primary suite is a true highlight, offering direct access to the lakefront deck and hot tub, where you can unwind while enjoying breathtaking views. The ensuite bathroom boasts a walk-in shower and a generous walk-in closet. The updated kitchen with its new appliances and countertops is a culinary dream, perfect for preparing meals to enjoy in the adjacent dining room. On the other side of the dining room, a large family room is bathed in natural light from the expansive windows, showcasing stunning lake views. The wraparound deck is ideal for entertaining, offering ample space for gatherings, while the newer observation deck by the water provides the perfect spot to soak in the serene soundings. This home combines modern comfort with the lakeside lifestyle, making it the ultimate retreat.